Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Kudos for Bone Voyage. Start by accepting the quest from the East Dock Captain and open your quest log. Follow each objective marker and prioritize gathering 3 bone fragments. Use a light source to find hidden caves and inspect skeletons for extra fragments. Revisit cleared areas with a friend to spawn additional rewards and finish objectives faster for consistent Kudos gains. Work methodically through each marked area and inspect every pile because fragments hide in subtle spots. Equip your shovel or knife and interact with skeletons to trigger fragment drops. Light nearby braziers or solve the small puzzles you find because those actions often count as mini objectives. Repeat efficient routes and clear the easiest locations first to stack Kudos quickly and avoid wasting time wandering aimlessly. Team up where possible because 2 players often increase spawn opportunities and make fragment collection smoother. Pay attention to day-night cycles since some caves open only at night and reveal exclusive skeletons. Always save before dangerous encounters so you don't lose rare fragment progress on death. Finally, prioritize safe extraction routes after collecting milestones to ensure each Kudos is banked without accidental losses or delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.